Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a recipe that was a bit of an experiment for me because I'm not really good at making fancy cakes, but my partner really wanted to try this, so here's how it went. You want to start out by grating your pumpkin, and this will give it kind of that carrot cake feel, which I really enjoyed. So don't miss out on this step. Then you wanna cut down some walnuts, and you wanna take the walnuts in a bowl. You wanna add the flour, the baking soda, the cinnamon, ground ginger, and a little bit of nutmeg as well. Then you wanna give that a good mix and set it to the side. In a new bowl, you want to add your sugar and your eggs. You also want to add a little bit of vanilla extract, and then you want to mix. Give that a good mix, take your time with it, that will make the cake fluffier. When you're done with that, you want to go ahead and add the applesauce, which is a very interesting ingredient, but tastes great. And you also want to add your pumpkin. Now give that a quick mix again. And now you're ready to start adding in the flour mixture and just mix as you go until you have a nice even dough that should still be a little bit liquidy. You want to prepare a baking tin with some baking paper, and you want to pour your dough into that, distribute it evenly, and bake with 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare the rest of the pumpkin. You want to cook it in some water with a little bit of sugar and cinnamon for about 15 minutes and let it cool down. Now, when the cake is out of the oven and cooling down, you can go ahead and puree that pumpkin. And you want to wait until it is completely cooled down, and then you can go and cut your dough into 2 pieces. But it has to be completely cold for this step. Now you want to take it apart and store the top layer somewhere else for now and set it to the side. Now we want to prepare the whipped cream. You want to take your cream and a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and whip it until it is done. Again, take your time with this step. No need to rush it. And then it should look something like this. You want to put it in the fridge. Now you want to take your butter and powdered sugar in another bowl. And you want to start mixing that. Your butter needs to be room temperature for this step, or it will be a nightmare. Then you want to start adding the cream cheese and just keep mixing. And when that's completely done, you will play a little game here. Now get a small bowl and put about a quarter of the whipped cream into that one. Now you want to put about 3/4 of the cream cheese frosting into the whipped cream. And then you want to add 3 tablespoons of the pumpkin puree to that. Then squeeze a little bit of lemon juice and slowly, carefully mix that together until you have a nice even cream. Next step, you want to put the quarter of the whipped cream into the other quarter of the cream cheese frosting and carefully mix that together as well. This is a little bit difficult, but it also looks cool in the end. Now you want to take your bottom layer and you want to spread the middle cream on top. You don't want to use all of it, but again, about 3/4 of it. And you want to spread it all over that bottom layer in an even way. Now you can put the top layer on top and just push it down a little bit. And now we're going from light to dark. So you want to start out with the cream that has no pumpkin in it. And you want to create a nice even layer. Take your time with it and just make it look pretty. As I said, I'm not really good at this, so you probably can do it much better than I did. I tried to create a very nice even layer. Then you want to do the cream cheese with the pumpkin, so the middle color. And again, you want to spread it on top of the white. Make sure you have a nice even layer of that. Last but not least, you want to take the pumpkin puree that is left over and spread it on top. And you don't want to create a complete layer of that, but rather create a little bit of an uneven splattery look with it. And then you're basically done. You want to let that settle a little bit and then you're ready to cut it and enjoy. And I really liked it. As I said, it's a little bit like a carrot cake, like really fresh and not very heavy, which I enjoyed a lot. So maybe I'll give it a try, even though, you know, my pumpkin season is over now. But yeah, it was really fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!